More submissions that have been made by the Delhi police ahead of the next hearing that will take place in the High Court. But sensational claims that have been made so far while the court was hearing the bail pleas filed by Omar Khalid, Sarjeel Imam, Shifa Rahman, Shabad Ahmed, Atar Khan and others. So hearing on the 2020 Delhi riots and yet another sensational claim made by the Delhi police in front of the High Court. The Delhi police says Omar Khalid mobilized illegal Bangladeshi migrants from Jahangirpuri to Shaheen Bagh and then to Jafrabad, where the violence took place, which was the site of the violence. Police further apprising the court of how violence and arson was of such magnitude that it seemed like Delhi was held at ransom. So that's the submissions made by the police. Says each protest site was engineered by some of those involved in conspiring this violence in the national capital. I want to go across to Ananya Bhatnagar joining us with more details. Ananya, you know, on a daily basis, you've been getting us more details about the Delhi police's submission, though the hearing will take place from days from now going forward. But tell us a little bit about, you know, the several links that have been spoken of by the police, once again hinting at the fact that, you know, ruthless intensity behind the riots led to the situation that we saw back in 2020 in the national capital.
Well, definitely, you know, the police today also took the court through the various charge sheets, extensive 500 pages of charge sheet, which was only the first charge sheet in that particular case, and later, you know, supplementary charge sheets also followed. And, you know, Special Public Prosecutor Amit Prasad took the court through how Omar Khalid went to Jahangirpuri. He mobilized, in fact, Bangladeshi immigrants who were living there illegally to Shaheen Bagh, and from there they were taken to Jafrabad, where, you know, the whole stone pelting and you know, the violence incidents have happened. And very clearly it was also pointed out by you know, Mr. Amit Prasad, saying that the kind of calls, and he was showing in fact the data of you know, the fire and the arson calls that were received by the fire department, saying that, you know, the magnitude of this violence and arson was such that it seemed like the whole city of Delhi was held at a ransom. So very clearly the police trying to make out a very, very strong case when it comes to you know, opposing the bail pleas to all of these people, including Sarjeel Imam or the likes of Omar Khalid, Miran Haider, etc. And clearly pointing out that, you know, Omar Khalid is one of the key conspirators in this particular case, and his speeches along with that of Sarjeel and others are also of a similar magnitude. They are you know, following a similar pattern, and the pattern was that, you know, people should be brought into fear of you know, CAA, NRC, or in fact Kashmir and Babri Masjid as well. And it was also stated by the you know, the public prosecutor for the Delhi police before the Delhi High Court today, that all these speeches were perfectly planned. His speech in Amravati was to actually bring people to roads. In fact, you know, if you remember, Donald Trump did not have to go to Amravati, and all of this was engineered so that violence could actually happen in the national capital. So very clearly at this particular point of time, Delhi police putting its best foot forward, Special Public Prosecutor Amit Prasad arguing it, and very clearly also pointing out that Omar Khalid remained outside of Delhi so that he's not trackable when the violence actually took place that day.
So from mobilizing people from Jahangirpuri to Shaheen Bagh to Jafrabad to provoking people through their speeches, all of this part of a big pre-planned conspiracy. Many thanks, Ananya, for joining us with the latest that's been shared by the Delhi police before the court. We will keep coming back to you. For now, heading into a very short break. We'll be right back.